Hold Windows and press R to run dialog. Type MRT, press Enter. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. The Microsoft Malicious Software Removal Tool window will open. Click Next. You'll see three options: Quick Scan, Full Scan, and Customized Scan. Quick Scan will scan areas where malware commonly hides. Full Scan will scans the entire computer. Choose a scan type, click Next. Customized Scan lets you choose a specific folder or drive. MRT stands for Microsoft Malicious Software Removal Tool. It is a built-in Windows utility that scans for and removes certain widespread malware infections. What MRT does: detects and removes specific malware that Microsoft tracks, checks for common viruses, worms, trojans, and other malicious software, generates a report showing what it found and removed. It is not a full antivirus replacement. It only targets a limited set of known threats. It does not provide real-time protection like Microsoft Defender antivirus. If you've made it this far, you're part of a small group of viewers who genuinely want to learn and stay ahead. Thank you for spending your time here. Subscribe and join the community, because the next videos will go even deeper into topics most people never discover.